In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update ClickUp templates efficiently and quickly. Whether you're refining your project management processes or just making some needed adjustments, keeping your templates up to date can significantly enhance team productivity and the way you work. So, let's dive in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to ClickUp, which is an immensely versatile app that caters to all work management needs. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the ClickUp homepage, which you can easily find by searching online if you don't have the direct link. Once you're on the ClickUp site, look towards the top right corner of the page and click on the Login button. If you're like most users, you'll want a swift and secure sign-in, so do this by clicking on the Sign In with Google option. It's a quick and secure way to access your ClickUp workspace without the hassle of entering your password manually. Now, a pop-up should appear prompting you to select your Google account. Choose the account that is linked with your ClickUp profile. If you happen to have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one to avoid any login issues. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted by the familiar ClickUp dashboard. Navigate to the appropriate workspace where your templates are located. You'll likely be working within your own space or a team space depending on your current setup. Within your desired space, locate the specific list where the template you wish to update is stored. Spot the list on the left sidebar of your dashboard and click the three dots that appear next to its name. This opens up a contextual menu with various options. Scroll down the list of options and click on Templates. Here you'll find the collection of templates that you have access to or manage. This is where you can make the necessary updates. To make changes, find the specific template you want to update and select it. The application will present you with details about the template. Look for the Update Existing Template option and click on it to proceed. A window will pop up with a series of prompts. Carefully go through these, and if everything looks good, go ahead and click on Next. This confirms the changes you want to implement within the template. Finally, after reviewing all your modifications, just click on Save Template. This final step ensures that all the updates are applied and saved for future use. Remember, keeping your templates up to date can streamline your workflow and improve collaboration across your teams. And there you have it, a quickly executed update to your ClickUp template. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.